Welcome to the Rundown. Today we're diving into the new ChatGPT browsing feature that was recently released by OpenAI and is currently in beta version. Do not sleep on this tool, as it can skyrocket your income, help you save money, and increase social media presence. Let's unveil my top 5 ways I am using this new feature that has increased my workflow. The first tip I'm going to share is trend analysis. You can utilize the ChatGPT browsing feature to pinpoint top trending topics and headlines swirling around the internet. This invaluable resource is a goldmine for bloggers and content creators, aiding in crafting compelling content that aligns with what's hot and trending. Stay in the loop with the buzzing online trends, ensuring your content is always fresh, relevant, and engaging, thereby magnifying your online presence and engagement. The next tip I'm sharing is about crypto and stock research. Embark on a journey into the realms of crypto and stock markets with ChatGPT at your side. It's a tool designed to assist you in delving deeper into various projects and stocks, providing a thorough review which is essential for a better understanding. Although it's crucial to note, this does not constitute financial advice. The next tip you can do with ChatGPT browsing pertains to website reviews and improvement help. Introduce ChatGPT to your website link and watch it review your newly designed website. It offers a comprehensive analysis aiming to help you pinpoint areas of improvement, whether it's to ramp up sales or to optimize for SEO. The next tip is about competitive pricing on products. Share a product link with ChatGPT and let it take on the task of scouring the internet for better deals, coupons, or alternative products. It's like having a personal shopping assistant that ensures you get the utmost value. Lastly, you can use the new ChatGPT browsing feature to find alternative websites, similar to your favorites. Ever wondered if there are other websites out there similar to the ones you adore? With ChatGPT, discovering new sites that resonate with your interests has never been easier. There you go. Now you're ready to leverage the ChatGPT browsing feature to its fullest. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights.